Matcha tea has exploded in popularity for quite a while, with matcha lattes, baked goods, and other products appearing everywhere. As a finely ground powder made from the entire green tea leaf, matcha contains a concentrated amount of nutrients compared to regular brewed green tea. Research on matcha and its components has revealed an array of health benefits. In this video, we will explore 4 science-backed ways matcha may boost your health. Do watch till the end, as I will also be sharing on how you can use matcha and some downsides when taken in excess too. So do watch on. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, it's packed with antioxidants. Matcha is a natural beverage rich in antioxidants, which protect against cell damage from harmful free radicals. It contains high levels of powerful catechin antioxidants like EGCG, which are not found in regular green tea. Matcha is made from ground whole green tea leaves dissolved in water, providing nutrients from the entire leaf in each sip. Studies show that matcha contains up to 137 times more antioxidants than regular steeped green tea. Its polyphenol content is 15 times higher than most store-bought green teas. Matcha's antioxidant content is particularly valuable as it prevents free radicals from damaging cells, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Matcha's catechins help maintain the body's defense against free radicals, neutralizing oxidative damage and slowing aging. Drinking antioxidant-packed matcha can boost overall health by increasing daily antioxidant intake and combating oxidative stress. Could matcha one day be viewed as an essential component of integrative medicine and anti-aging protocols? Number 2, it may support liver health. Research indicates that matcha, a plant with rich antioxidant content, could protect the liver and prevent damage due to its antioxidant properties. The liver is crucial for overall health, filtering toxins, metabolizing nutrients, producing bile, and eliminating waste. Studies have shown that matcha can prevent damage to the kidneys and liver in diabetic rats, while a study showed that drinking green tea significantly improved liver enzyme levels in 80 people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. A large analysis of 15 studies found a lower risk of developing liver disease, with the strongest connection found in those who drank the most green tea. Matcha tea could be a regular part of integrative treatment plans to protect liver health, as its catechins may reduce inflammation, improve antioxidant status, and decrease fat buildup in the liver. A daily matcha habit could support the liver's natural detoxification system and help maintain overall liver health. Could drinking matcha tea one day be a regular part of integrative treatment plans to protect liver health? Number 3, it may enhance cognitive function. Matcha, a tea with a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, has been found to enhance focus, memory, reaction time, and overall cognitive performance. The tea contains naturally occurring caffeine, which enhances alertness and concentration when consumed in moderation. However, it also contains high levels of L-theanine, an amino acid that produces calming, anti-anxiety effects by increasing alpha waves in the brain. This combination produces an alert yet relaxed state without coffee jitters or energy crashes. Matcha's antioxidants, like EGCG, may also help protect the brain against age-related cognitive decline by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage. Drinking antioxidants and amino acid-packed matcha tea can enhance cognitive performance for up to 6 hours, providing the best of both worlds: alertness combined with calmness and tranquility. Could matcha one day be included in protocols for enhancing focus and brain health without prescription stimulants? Number 4, it could increase fat burning. Matcha, a popular tea, has been found to increase metabolism and fat burning, particularly when combined with regular exercise. This effect is attributed to its green tea catechins, which help the body use stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Studies have shown that green tea extract can enhance fat burning, especially when combined with exercise. A small trial found that people who took green tea extract while engaging in moderate physical activity burned 17% more fat compared to only exercising. Another experiment revealed that supplementation with green tea extract led to significantly higher energy expenditure over a 24-hour period. Matcha's higher catechin content and caffeine content also contribute to its ability to boost calorie burning. Drinking antioxidant-rich matcha tea combined with regular exercise is the perfect recipe for enhancing fat burning and reaching weight loss goals faster. Could drinking matcha tea become a standard recommendation in integrative medicine for boosting metabolism and supporting weight loss? Here are some tips for adding matcha to your diet. Make matcha tea by mixing 1 teaspoon matcha powder with hot water. Add milk or lemon for flavor. Blend matcha powder into smoothies, lattes, or shakes for an antioxidant and energy boost. Bake with matcha powder in muffins, cookies, bread, pancakes, and more for bright color and flavor. Stir matcha powder into yogurt, oatmeal, and cereal for an extra nutrient boost. Whisk matcha into salad dressings, soups, and sauces for a pop of green. Look for matcha extracts in supplements, promoting energy, weight loss, and cognitive function. Now, for the downsides of matcha, particularly for women. Number 1, caffeine sensitivity. Matcha contains caffeine, albeit less than coffee, but for those who are caffeine sensitive, it can still cause jitterness, headaches, and sleep issues if consuming excess amounts. Moderation is key. Number 2, hormonal issues. The phytoestrogens in matcha may exacerbate estrogen dominance in some women, which can lead to PMS, menstrual issues, fibroids, or breast cysts. Those with hormonal imbalances may want to limit intake. Number 3, interactions with medications. The caffeine in matcha can interact with certain medications like antidepressants or anxiety medications. It's best to check with your doctor about any interactions. Number 4, liver health. Consuming high amounts of matcha daily over extended periods may tax the liver for some. It's metabolically demanding to process all the compounds. Periodic breaks are a good idea. Number 5, pregnancy concerns. While matcha is typically considered safe during pregnancy, very high intakes may impact things due to the caffeine content. Moderation is best for expecting mothers. The bottom line is matcha green tea offers fantastic health benefits for women in reasonable quantities, but too much of a good thing can backfire. Pay attention to your individual tolerance and sensitivity to optimize your matcha consumption. Moderation and periodic breaks make it sustainable long term. And be sure to combine it with an overall healthy lifestyle to experience the benefits. Do you enjoy drinking matcha or adding it to foods? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these benefits of matcha tea. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.